Plant FAQs. Begonia Solenia Dusty Rose. Begonia Solenia Dusty Rose. Your guide to this pretty pink powerhouse. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer all your burning questions about the Begonia Solenia Dusty Rose. This beauty has captured the hearts of many gardeners with its stunning rose-pink blooms and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know to keep your Solenia Dusty Rose thriving. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Solenia Dusty Rose? The Begonia Solenia Dusty Rose is a captivating member of the Begonia family, known for its large, double, dusty rose-colored flowers. This Rieger Begonia, Begonia x hyemalis, boasts a bushy, mounded form with lush, green, heart-shaped leaves that complement the vibrant blooms perfectly. A standout feature of this begonia is its extended flowering season, gracing your garden or patio with its delicate beauty from mid-spring to mid-fall. Solenia Dusty Rose versus other begonias. While many begonias prefer shade, the Solenia Dusty Rose thrives in full sun. This makes it a fantastic choice for gardeners in warmer climates or those with sun-drenched balconies. Compared to other Rieger begonias, the Solenia Dusty Rose boasts superior wind and drought tolerance. This translates to less babying and more time enjoying its blooms. Here's a quick comparison of Solenia Dusty Rose with other popular begonias. Feature Solenia Dusty Rose Rieger Begonia Begonia Rex Light Preference Full, Sun Partial Shade Flower Color Dusty, Rose Pink varies Flower Size Large, Double varies in /A Drought Tolerance More Tolerant Less Tolerant Least Tolerant. Planting and care for your Solenia Dusty Rose. Planting your Solenia Dusty Rose is a breeze. Choose a well-draining potting mix and a pot with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Water your begonia regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. During the hot summer months, you may need to water more frequently. Here are some additional care tips for your Solenia Dusty Rose. Fertilize. Feed your begonia with a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Simply pinch off the flower head at the base of the stem. Pruning. Prune lightly to maintain a desired shape and remove any leggy or dead growth. Common problems with Solenia Dusty Rose. While the Solenia Dusty Rose is a relatively low-maintenance plant, there are a few common issues to watch out for. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as white powdery spots on the leaves. Improve air circulation and use a fungicide to treat it. Mealybugs. These tiny, white, sap-sucking insects can damage your begonia. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Overwatering. The most common problem. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering frequency accordingly. With proper care, your Solenia Dusty Rose should reward you with a vibrant and healthy display of flowers for months on end. Where to buy a Solenia Dusty Rose? The Solenia Dusty Rose is a popular variety and can be readily found at most garden centers and nurseries during the spring and summer months. You can also find it online from reputable plant retailers. Final thoughts. The Begonia Solenia Dusty Rose is a delightful addition to any garden or patio. Its easygoing nature, stunning blooms, and extended flowering season make it a perfect choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. With a little TLC, your Solenia Dusty Rose will be sure to brighten your space for years to come.